Hello everyone. So today we are back with another video, and we will just ask you a few things. So are you a business owner in the Jacksonville, Florida, and are you looking to take your business to the next level? So if you are, then you can just add Facebook to your marketing portfolio. In today's digital world, Facebook management for small businesses is a game changer that is about taking your business to where your customers are. Facebook has more than 2.91 billion users, making it a vital platform for small businesses sales and social media marketing. Using Facebook for your small business may seem challenging because the platform's rules and algorithm change frequently. However, with the right strategies, Facebook is one of the best ways to use social media for businesses. So here is a look at various ways to use Facebook to benefit your business in Jacksonville and maximizing your efforts. The first thing is to create a business page for your business that is in the Jacksonville, meaning you have to set up a Facebook business page for your business. Facebook business page is a free resource that helps you connect with the customers and grow your online presence. A Facebook business page is like a free business website companies can build on to expand their internet presence. You can create a Facebook page and keep posting about your products or services on a regular basis. Softrix, a Facebook management agency in Jacksonville, turns your Facebook presence into a powerful marketing tool with engaging content, customer reviews, and a growing community on your Facebook page. The second thing that is to create Facebook ads to target your customers online in Jacksonville. So now let's talk about the Facebook ads that offer more functionality and placement choices. Facebook collects user data and targets your ads most likely to be interested in your product or service. Softrix, a Facebook ads expert agency in Jacksonville, can extend your reach and boost your business. Social media can be time consuming and complex. We are here to help you. We understand the challenges that you have faced and we have the customized solution for your unique needs. The next thing is on how you can maximize your returns from the Facebook ads. The first thing is to set goals for ads. For example, some organizations want to use the ads to get people's attention, while others want people to engage with the content or the links. Facebook defines two common ad types. One is the dynamic and lead to help businesses accomplish their goals. Dynamic ads promote relevant items from your product catalog and retarget them to people who have shown interest in your website. Lead ads give viewers a way to get the information that they are seeking. Second one is to select the audience and the location. We need to adjust the audience using the following criteria. It can be the location, the demographic, the interest, behavior, and then the connection. The third thing that we have to do is basically to set our budget. To purchase an ad, you can create and submit it to the Facebook ad auction, where you can define delivery parameters including your budget for daily spending. The fourth thing that we need to do is to make sure that we are setting up creating compelling ad copies. In marketing, the effectiveness of your copy is paramount, and Facebook ads are no exception. Your ad copy should resonate with your target audience, compelling them to engage. We need to focus on key components like conversational headlines, which serves as our ad's initial hook. We need to utilize the description to address objections and highlighting the offers visible without further clicks. We have to adapt and test your copy for various audience segments, ensuring it delivers the best results for your campaigns. We need to use images and the videos. When using stock images, we need to choose high quality ones that align with your ad copy. We need to consider using videos for more engaging Facebook ads. Video content is popular online and user-friendly video editing apps make it accessible. The next thing is how Softrix can really help you in maximizing your Facebook ads results. Softrix assists in setting clear goals for your ads, ensuring they align with your business objectives, whether it's increasing brand awareness or driving engagement. We tailor your ad strategy accordingly. We meticulously select your target audience, refining criteria like location, demographic, interest, behavior, and connection to reach the most relevant potential customers. Our experts help you to do the optimization for your ad budget, ensuring efficient allocation for daily and the overall spending to maximize the ROI. Softrix crafts compelling ad copy that resonates with your specific audience, using conversational headlines and persuasive descriptions to drive engagement. We provide high quality image and video content, aligning them seamlessly with your ad copy, making your Facebook ads more captivating and effective. At last, as an experienced Facebook management agency in Jacksonville, the team at Softrix is here to help you with every aspect of Facebook marketing. We are not just a service provider, we are your partners in success. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.